Actually, I have been starting to take allergy medicine recently. That was really bad. Huh? It's nice. Minecraft. 1 second, Rabbit. I need to blow my nose. 1 second. Sound. See, you know what I mean though? It's just Minecraft is very sneezy and I don't know why. It's just like that. Patch of grass in the house.